perfect for cleaning, sharpening, buffing, removing rust, or removing burrs from metal. This jet bench grinder comes with industrial-grade 36 grit and 60 grit 8 inches wheels for maximum versatility. The 1 horsepower, 115-volt motor operates at 450 revolutions per minute and delivers plenty of power for heavy grinding. The grinder sits on a rubber foot to prevent unwanted movement and can be bolted down if desired for maximum stability. This 8 inches model also includes a heavy-duty guarded toggle switch. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable grinding. Fine 60 grit and coarse 36 grit vitrified grinding wheels. Number 2. Long machine life. Totally enclosed pre-lubricated ball bearings. Number 3. Built for durability. Cast iron wheel guards and dust vents. Number 4. No shifting. Rubber mounts prevent movement. Number 5. Added safety. Follow strict guidelines and electrical requirements to meet CSA safety standards. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.